Oh, hello. Okay. Alright, we're all set today. Where are we off to today? We're off to right, today I'm gonna make my way down to Burnham Crouch, or a place called Bradwell Marine today. And getting right here. I don't want to put on my dark visor. Nearly 3 years, for the last 3 years I've had this bike, since 2022. Det kan vara halvkalena på nahager. I have not had the filter in such a long time. This is a good mix to do something like this. So what I'd like to do when I filter, so I'll go at a speed that I can sort of stop quick enough. I don't like to risk it. So whilst you're filtering, I'm looking out for those hints or danger zones in a way. If you see like gaps on either side, you sort of be cautious, because there may be someone who wants to take that space. And I do tend to look behind me sometimes. Sometimes it's maybe a fellow rider or someone, you know, they go fast, and I'm not the fastest filterer there is. I prefer to take my time, avoiding all dangers if possible. So yeah, if you're more skilled than I am, I will do my best and move out of the way. And yeah, then I'll maintain my course of filtering at a good pace, faster than I can say for everyone else in this queue. Turning off at 8414, so I'm not going to be here for long. Number 3. Yay. Oh, I've got free rein here. These gloves are working a treat now. They actually, I think they've molded to my hands a bit more. The other time I was using them, wow, they were cramping, but now it's so much better. Over there, you see that bradwell on sea. Woohoo! Bumpy up and down. I'm all good. Let's just go with the flow. Can't see again. Woo! SV650. Here we are. Cool looking place. Oh, I'm so hungry. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go grab some lunch now and then clean up my helmet because it is a mess right now, and I'll check in with you in a moment. Boing. All right. Okay, here we go. How many bugs are gonna kill on the way back this time? There are so many bugs out here. There's all those where's my lid again? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that is scary. That's not good. My wind mirror is aerodynamic now. Wasn't supposed to happen. And yeah, just watch this. Somehow this thing is messed up. No, that's not it. Oh, hello. Okay. Oh, he's going that way. Okay, I'm not. Oh, stitching the neck. Neck time. There we go. Stitching the 280 up road. Anyways, I guess that's going to conclude today's ride on the camera. It's not point recording anymore past this point. Hope you know, enjoyed the little ride I took today. A bit of B-roll, stop for a nice burger. It's been a lovely day actually, I can't complain. No drama, no nothing. Yeah. Oh wait.